Quality goes in before the name goes on. Kenny's Performance Exhaust Center. Kenny's offers over 200 unique and distinctive custom tips for that perfect, one-of-a-kind appearance. This virtually endless selection can be found only at Kenny's.
Quality beyond the everyday muffler shop. The nation's premier performance exhaust center, Kenny's. Not a Texas resident? Visit our amazing website to find out how you can have the ultimate exhaust for your vehicle. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe right here, right now to this YouTube channel. All of Kenny's exclusive in-house products are available only at Kenny's. Since 1978, Kenny's Muffler Shop has been creating some of the country's most unique and distinctive custom exhaust systems. See it and hear it before you buy it, only at Kenny's Performance Exhaust Center. Follow the leader.